What if your front yard was a whole park? Hi, I'm Abhishek Deesawala from Acton Belle Property Mandurah. Welcome to 25 Jester Parkway, Meadow Springs. Modern, spacious and designed for easy, low-maintenance living, perfect for families, investors or anyone chasing the ultimate lock-up and live lifestyle. Featuring multiple living zones, including a separate theater room, there is space for everyone to relax and unwind. At the heart of the home is a stunning galley-style kitchen with stone bench tops. Step outside to the large alfresco area and enjoy effortless outdoor living. Positioned directly across from a family-friendly park and close to schools and local shopping center. I'm not just selling your home, I'm selling your property with the personality.